This is question number 19. So let's focus on part A and B first. It says the triangle A and B have been drawn on the grid. So there they are, triangle A, triangle B. Reflect triangle A in the line x equals 3. So x equals 3. And label this image C. So we first need to draw this line x equals 3, and here's the x-axis. Right, so there's x, there's the x-axis. X is equal to 3 there. I need to draw a line x equals 3. There it is. Now you need to make sure you understand how to draw these lines, and you could register that. So x equals 3 is a vertical line going through 3 on the x-axis. Okay. We need to reflect triangle A along that line. Triangle A is 2 squares away, so I'm going to draw triangle C, the image, 2 squares away on the other side, and I'm going to flip it over. So it's going to look something like that over there, and look there, it's labeled C as well. So that is my answer to part A. Pretty straightforward. Please do make sure you understand how to draw this line. X is equal to 3. Let's look at part B. Okay, part B is a bit different from your paper. That should say y equals 2 on your paper. So if it doesn't, do change it. Okay, now y is equal to 2 is a line going through 2 on the y-axis. So there's the y-axis, there's 2 on the y-axis, and it's a line going through 2 on the y-axis, and it's that line over there. So there's y equals 2. All right, now I need to reflect triangle B on that line. Keep on going back to the question. Read the question. Make sure you answer exactly what they want. So there's B, and B is 1 square below the mirror line. Y equals 2, so it needs to be 1 square above it and flipped over. And it's going to look something like that. Make sure you use a ruler and pencil when you're drawing these and label it as they say. So answer the question. Okay, so really straightforward question this is. Make sure you do know how to do this as well. You need to be able to draw these lines. That's y equals 2 because it goes through 2 on the y-axis, and it has to be a horizontal line. Okay, let's look at part C. Part C says to describe fully the single transformation which will map triangle A onto triangle B. So how do I get from triangle A to triangle B? Okay, now to get from A to B, that's going to be a reflection, and that's my mirror line. Now that line there, you need to write down the equation of that mirror line in your answer. Now if you think about it, it's a diagonal line. That's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. In other words, the x coordinates and the y coordinates are the same. Y equals x. That's the equation of that line. Right, so because the x coordinate and the y coordinates are the same, you could call it x equal y. Right, so because it's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, yeah, you go across 3, up 3, across to 6, up to 6. So the x and y coordinates are the same. It's a reflection in the line y equals x, or you can call it x equals y. Some people prefer that. This is a straightforward question, very common question, easy to get full marks in it. Make sure you can do that. Make sure you do get full marks in it.